This is the smart door lock. The brand is Kucacci. Uses 4 AA batteries. My favorite thing about this lock is that you can use it with the keypad, obviously. Also with fingerprint scanner right here. Also with this key, I forget what these are called, like a digital key. And then also with a normal key. So you can actually unlock it with 1, 2, 3, 4 different ways, which is really nice. So if you were to misplace one of your keys, you always have a backup way to do it, but it's also just convenient to have the fingerprint scanner whenever you want to use it. I use this in my office because I have 3 small children. So that's it's been great for me to be able to close the door and know that my door is automatically going to lock behind me whenever I use it. I've been really happy with it so far. I definitely recommend it.